Hi all! In this video, let's try to answer some of the basic Numpy questions and test our knowledge in Numpy. So here, there are around 8 questions and let us try to solve them one by one. So the first question is something like, try importing Numpy as NP. Okay, it is very easy. Import Numpy as NP. Yes, as simple as that. Okay, next question. Create an array of 10 zeros. Okay, they're asking us to create an array, okay, of 10 zeros. So do we have some built-in function or something which does this? Yes, we have a function called zeros, right, which returns a new array of the given shape. Yes, so how do we do that? We have already imported numpy as np, so we just need to call np dot. So what is the function name? Zeros, ze zeros. And what is the size? So size, they're asking 10 zeros. The size of array is 10. So we just need to pass 10 as the argument. So here we go. We have 10 zeros in the array. The same way, they're asking us create an array of 10 ones. The same way as zeros, we have another function called ones, which prints ones. So if we want 5 array, we can just pass the argument as 5. Or if we want 10, we'll pass it as 10. So this is how the function works. The next question, create an array of 10 fives. So for creating zeros, we have zeros as a function. For creating ones, we have ones as a function. So for creating fives, do we have a function called fives? Something as np dot fives. Yes. If you want 10 fives, pass 10 as an array. Yes. No, we don't have such function called fives. So what do we do now? So we'll just take ones. Why don't we take another cell and do it there? Yes, what I'll do is, I'll take 10 ones. Yeah, I have 10 ones in the array now, and I'll try to multiply it by 5. Yeah, will I get? Yes, I've got 10 fives in an array. So the answer is simply, we'll first create 10 ones and then multiply it by 5. Yeah, we got the answer. The next function, create an array of integers from 10 to 50. Okay, they're asking us to create an array. Okay, we know how to create an array in NumPy. So do you know there is a function called arange in NumPy? So it is something like np.arange. So it basically takes 3 parameters. Okay, so the parameters is something like start, stop and step. Okay, it is something like start, comma, stop, comma, step. Okay, I'll just make this as a comment. Now for this question, we don't need step. By default, step will be 1. Okay, even if we don't pass it, by default it will be 1. So what is start here? Start is, we want from 10. So start will be 10 here. I'm so sorry. Yes, start is 10 here. So what is stop? Is stop 50 or 51? Now, is stop 50 or 51? We'll just try with 50 first. I'll take another cell. Yes, we'll try what this prints. Okay, I'm taking stop as 50 and we can see that it is printing only from 10 to 49. It is not printing 50. It is excluding 50. But in the question, they've asked us to print 10 to 50. So I'll have to put 51 here. to get the answer. Yes? So yes, from 10 to 50. And what if I remove this 1? Even if I remove 1, it will give the same answer because by default step is 1. So this is the answer. Next question. Create an array of all the even integers from 10 to 50. So we know how to print numbers from 10 to 50. We've already done that. Let me copy that. Oh, I'll also copy this. Okay, I'll run this. We have numbers from 10 to 50 here. Okay, done. Now they're asking us only even integers. I don't want this 11, 13, 15 and all that. So we know by default the step is 1. What if the step is 2? What does it mean? That means that 10 will be printed, step 2. 1, 2. So it will again print 12. Again step is 2. 1, 2. It will print 14. That is, it will skip the odds, right? When step is 2, it will skip the odds. Let us try running it. Yes. 10, 12, 14, 16 till 50. It is printing all the even integers. That is what we want. So this will be the answer for the question. Next question we have is to create a 3x3 matrix with the values ranging from 0 to 8. Okay. First we'll try to print the values ranging from 0 to 8. ARANGE. Okay. So 0 to 8. 0. 0 will be included. So 0 to 8. No. If I print 8, only 0 to 7 will be printed. So I want to mention it as 0 to 9. I'll take it in another cell. Yes, I'll run this. So I've got a 1D array with the elements 0 to 8. Okay. Now I want a 3x3 matrix, not a 1D array. I want a 3x3 matrix. So how do we do that? We'll use, we know, a reshape function. Reshape. We want a 3x3 matrix, right? So 3, 3. So will this give me the final answer? Yes. So we got a 3x3 matrix ranging from 0 to 8. So that was the answer. Okay. Last question. Create a 3x3 identity matrix. So what is an identity matrix? Identity matrix, it has diagonal will be having 1 and the rest will be 0. Yeah. So we have a function for that. Function called I. Yeah. EYE. So what if I just run identity matrix with 2? I'll pass 2. Okay, I'll take it in another cell. Yes. So we got a 2x2 matrix with 1 in the diagonal and the rest of it is 0. Now I want a 3x3 matrix. So I'll pass 3. I'll get the same result. So I got a 3x3 matrix with 1 in the diagonal and rest of it is 0, which is an identity matrix. So this is a 3x3 identity matrix. So this was all about level 1 questions, and we'll meet up in the next video with some more questions of Numpy. Thank you for watching.